In today's video, my friend, you're going to meet Walter the Rocket Scientist. I get on a lawnmower I've never operated before. I didn't even know they had foot pedal to make it go. It takes me a good 5 or 10 minutes to figure out how to operate this thing. I'm looking all over for a gear shift, and it works entirely different than anything I've ever used. So Walter the Rocket Scientist swings into action. We're looking at my son James's brand new Cub Cadet lawnmower. He used it 5 minutes before he tore it up. It's up to me to fix it, but yet I can't even figure out how to drive it. Today's video is not a staged skit. You are witnessing real dim-witted stupidity in action. Apparently, I was overthinking the matter. I was looking for something complicated to work, and it's just got some push buttons you gotta push. It's too simple for me. My brain is thinking of something complicated. I'm at the back pulling out the transmission engage and lever. See if that does it. Anyway, it took me a while to figure out how to operate this thing. But well, I'm going to fix this lawnmower for him. I know it needs a new blade, but us rocket scientists takes a little while to figure out how to operate complicated machinery. 5 minutes to figure out how the foot pedal works on this thing. James took his new lawnmower home the other day, and I guess anybody's capable of making a mistake once in a while, but he made a big one. He hit a rock or something that bent his blade all to every which way up under there. Asked me would I put a new blade on it. Evidently he made 3 trips around his yard before it conked out on him. He said it sounds like a tiller running now. I looked under there and it has got a blade kind of pointed towards John's house. I'm not going to do it this afternoon, but I got it up on the lift, got it covered up, and I ain't real sure about it. Let me take a look under there. Now, that might be the same deck that's on his old mower. Well, I can't. Oh yeah, I believe that's identically the same deck. Now what I would do with this deck, since it's in pretty good shape, were I James, and I'm not, he could sell it if he wants to, or he could put it in the barn and wait till 2 or 3 years when that belly mower over there looks like it's going towards John's house. He could take it off and put this one on there and he'll be right back in business. A new deck is hard to come by on a lawnmower you've had for several years, but he's definitely got possession of one right there. That's only 2 or 3 years old. I would save it, unless he sells the lawnmower to somebody. But he might not be the hoarder that I am. I got on this cotton picker and tried to drive it. Haven't never operated or had any instructions. Took me a while to figure out pushing down this pedal makes it go forward. Pushing down that pedal makes it go in reverse. I'm looking all over, flipping levers and shifters and engaging the blades, and it ain't going nowhere, just rolling up and down the driveway. Anyway, we got it figured out. So that's going to be an upcoming video this week, is how to change the blade on your brand new Cub Cadet.